back to my channel. My name is Tega Clifford. T to the E to the D to the A. If you're a new subscriber, this is your first time popping up, just stopping by, just checking on my page, watching my video. Mwah. Kisses to you guys. Thanks for stopping by. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Just click dice off. If you're former subscribers, my G's, my day-to-day people, I still, if you're a former subscriber, kisses, thanks for clicking on this video. If you have been watching my videos and you haven't subscribed to my channel, there's a problem. Just help your friend and click on the video, because there's a reason why you keep coming back, so just subscribe to my channel. All right, guys, so I told you in my previous video, if you've not watched my previous video, please click on the link up and watch the video. I told you in my previous video that I have something amazing for you guys. Let's just continue. So for today, I'm sure you've already seen the title, so you know that your girl is a brand ambassador. So today I am going to be promoting a beautiful brand, an amazing brand that I just came across a couple of weeks ago. As your upcoming influencer, they say, this girl fine, and I try to back, come on, market for us. I have to do is just comb my natural hair, looking on flick. I don't have to do makeup. They'll do makeup for me for free. They'll give me products. I was like, what's the big deal? All I have to just show my face. And I was like, I don't mind this. Let's just go. And then I went there, and then as you know, your girl now, she blown their mind away. And everybody was blown away by my hair. Oh my god, are you Nigerian? Oh my god, your hair is so beautiful. So let's just fast forward to where I'm heading with this. The bottom line is I got there were other models there that they've done makeup for, they've done the shoot, and then it was my turn, and then everybody was really blown away by my natural hair as usual. But I'm about to announce the brand I'm talking about. So the brand I'm talking about, the brand that your baby girl is about to talk about, the brand, the natural hair brand that slay your baby girl's hair, it is called Afrobynature, guys. So Afrobynature, it's an amazing brand actually. I am going to be talking specifically on their coiling products and twisting products. I haven't used any other product that they have. I have only used their shampoo, their conditioner, their deep conditioner, their coil twist and coil, the coil maker. I'm just basically going to be talking about anything that has to do with their coiling products, because that's what I have used. And like I said before, I will not talk about products or brand that I have not tried before. So for Afrobynature, for their coiling aspect, I would give it 100%. And I kept on my if you don't follow me on Instagram, please follow me on Instagram. I posted a couple of days ago about natural hair. Please guys, I repeat, please do not go to the salon. If you know your hair type, first of all, if you know your hair type as a natural hair person, as a natural hair sister, if you know your hair type and you know that you are a 4C, please don't go to the salon and be asking your hairdresser to give you coil of a 3C or a 4A. It cannot happen. It's not jazz. So you need to know your type of hair, to know the type of coil pattern you have or you can achieve with your hair, because this product would give different people different results. For me, it gave me my coil pattern. It gave me 2 or more types of coil pattern because of the kind of hair type that I have. I am a 3C/4A, but I fall more under a 3C, and we have 2 or more coil patterns. People don't believe I'm Nigerian. People believe I'm mixed. People believe that somebody in my family, from my first generation, is American, is from the abroad, for my hair to be like that. But no, we are all strictly Nigerians, like in out. You can never say that I'm from the abroad, because from my tone, you already know that this one is Nigerian shine. So the day of the shoot, and after they are done with my hair, the coils, I'm going to put up a picture of how the hair looked when they were done with it. You would see how amazing it is. And then you can also check my Instagram page. I'm going to leave my handle here. You can check my Instagram page and check out the coil patterns that I got from using this product. I am super excited and happy that I stumbled on their product, because I have not regretted it so far. It's been amazing, and everybody keeps asking me, what do you use for your hair, your coil, how did you achieve this look? And I made a promise that I am going to show you how I achieve my coils using Afrobynature products, coiling products. So let's just go into how I'm going to unravel this twist. So for this look throughout, I'm going to be using just Afrobynature, which I'm going to show you guys. What is inside is just olive oil and tea tree oil, basically essential and regular oil. Coconut oil is inside as well. That's what I'm going to use. So I'm just going to spray my hair. Then I have with me again their leave-in conditioner. So this is their hydrating leave-in conditioner. It helps with keeping or locking the moisture in. And I like it because it is hydrating. It keeps the moisture in. Not all leave-in conditioners do that. So I'm just going to use this again before I unravel my twist. And then for my special and favorite product so far is their high definition coil maker. So I am going, like I said, I already put that picture up, but if you want to see it again, I'll put it up, and you can also check my Instagram page for those pictures. This was what they used. This was a product that they used on my hair to achieve a particular coil pattern. Unraveling my twist. Oh, this is not, it's not beans, guys. It's not beans. If you don't have energy, please don't try it. So guys, while I'm talking about this, I just want to say that shout out to Unilever for bringing up this amazing product. So basically remove the twist. So now this is 2. I'll make it into 4. Making it into 4 means I divide one like this, then the second one I do the same thing, and that is it. I can even make it into 5 depending on how you want your coil to. Guys, my hand is already paining me. I'm very tired. See, you people should learn to learn to appreciate the process. My hands are already paining me already. Oh God. I said this is not an everyday look. Oh. I don't do it every day. I only do it on very serious occasions. So if you're wondering why I keep spraying water, it's because I need my coils to stay hydrated. So let's go to the front. This is the coils. This is how it looks. I can like to leave it like this, but this is not the coil pattern that I want to achieve, so I won't leave it like this. So I would divide it into 4. Jesus, man, it's paining me. Oh my God, I'm never. My hand aches. So I'm going to take my coil maker and just apply a bit of it to my hair to retain the coils. Like I said, it feels like you're adding water to your hair, honestly. I'm trying to use my fingers to spread out my coils.
Love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you.
Yeah, so guys, this is my finished look. This is how I achieved that hairstyle that everybody was, oh my God, this hair, how did you get it? This is the energy that I put in it that is making my hand to pain me right now. That's what I use on top of my head. So to achieve this look, I just basically used 2 products actually. I used the coil maker and I used my leave-in conditioner to achieve this, and water. That is all I used on this hair. This is the hair. Let me try and give you guys a 360 degree of how the back looks and how the front is.
Been waiting for you, my love. Completely a fool. Been waiting for you, my love.
So guys, I have shown you guys how I achieved this look. Please and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give this a thumbs up if you really like this look. If you want to try it, if you have more questions on how to achieve this look, please and please ask your question at the comment section. Leave it and I'll reply you. If you want to know more about this product, please, their handle will be in the description box where you can place your order. Please go there, ask questions. They have a sales rep that will attend to you, you know, and tell them who referred you. Please let them know that it's their Clifford that referred you there if you want discount. Yeah, so this is it. And if you love this look, please give it a thumbs up. I need your likes. I need to know how many people don't like it. If you don't like this look, give it a dislike. Yes, feel free to express yourself. Be honest, you know, don't lie. Just say the truth. Like it, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give it a down. It's up to you. See you guys in my next video. Bye.